What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Noah, and welcome back to what? Another food review. And today we're reviewing Church's. We got it. Let's try it. And rated 1 through 10. Let's go. This is their 9-piece wing combo. It comes in spicy, original, buffalo, and hot honey lemon pepper. I got the hot honey lemon pepper. Look how crispy this wings is. All right, enough looking. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Let's go. Y'all know I'm a flat guy, so let's get it. Y'all take the first bite. Thank you for the food about sheep. Maybe there's to about something. Amen. Let's go. That's first two. Wing by itself, solid 7.9 out of 10. Now, guess what we got? I got this blue cheese shrimps from Walmart. We're gonna try it with the wing. And we're gonna see if it take it higher. Let's try it. Let's go. With the sauce. Y'all take your first bite. My turn. Wait a minute. Hold on. That's some good sauce. 8.5 out of 10. Can't forget fries. They solid 7.5 out of 10. That lemonade for you. 9.5 out of 10. So, dinner score, 8.7 out of 10. It's decent. Now, if y'all got churches in y'all area, try it out. This is the 9-piece combo. It's good. Always remember, don't let nobody steal your joy. And if you just believe in Christ and know that he raised from the dead, you shall be saved. Love you guys. Peace.